Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to use the Firebase Studio. Firstly, you need to access it. Go to studio.firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Now on the dashboard, look for the prototype and app with an II field. In the input box, describe your app using natural language. For example, a simple recipe maker that generates recipes based on the ingredients I have in my fridge. Simple UI, green color scheme. Optionally, upload an image to guide the design like color palette or layout. Then click Prototype with AI. Firebase Studio will generate a blueprint for your app. If you want changes, use the shot pane to adjust the blueprint, then click Edit. You can also use the shot interface for suggestions, use the element selector for fine-tuning UI elements, or click Annotate to add notes for specific components. Firebase Studio will display a live preview of your app. Just check the functionality and design to ensure it meets your expectation, and if needed, make more adjustments using the tools mentioned above. Once satisfied, just click Publish and follow the guided process to deploy your app on Firebase App Hosting. Your app will be live and you can share the link with others. If you're stuck at any step, use the Shot Help feature within the Firebase Studio, and you can also watch tutorials within the platform for more guidance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this.